Let's see how this goes. Watch the RPM. It's not gonna shift correctly. Right, we get stuck in the third gear. 3000 RPM. I'm going at 55. Try and merge here. You can take that as this, by the way. So I had to wave the car up to 5000 RPM. Merge shifting. It's called coil. Right? We're at 4000 RPM. And nearly driving 60 miles per hour. It's not very good. Oh, I actually had to be okay. Towards Dallas. We can exit off red line road. It's just a demonstration to see how bad this is. It's not shifting right because the engine is having some ignition coil issue. So, you know, it's not a transmission problem, by the way. It is an engine problem. Okay, going up again. Still going 30. We had to slow down anyways. Barely taking it. Just trying to test it on the freeway. You know, this is not a really good idea. Engine struggling. Gotta be careful, my engine might die off any time. But I keep directly. Oh, we exit off belt line here. Should be next half mile. Oops, look, someone car dies up already. Okay, speeding up the merge. It's barely slowly. We had to slow down like this traffic merge anyways. Because I'm exiting up red line. Actually, I'm exiting up Irving Boulevard instead. Because I'm heading in highway. No, I don't need to exit up red line. I need to go and get off the red line. Really bad. It is really high RPM. It's not doing it right in the correct gear. We're going back line south, by the way. We need to pass a couple of lanes here. There's a lot of cars coming up. Hey, watch out. Safely here. Do right lane, because anyway, go here. Go back line. Go south. Okay. Watch this. While we're idling, we can see the engine struggling. Okay. We have green light anyways. Wait for red light. I had to get down to Rock Island. Anyways, we'll wait for red light and watch this. Watch my engine start. Okay. I have my AC running, so we can see. Watch how bad this goes. See how my car jerks? It's not even firing properly. The engine's not working properly. There's a lot of misfire going on here. We're not quite there yet. I believe this is a Pioneer or Confidence Road. It's Pioneer. Okay, yeah, watching red light. Watch my engine start. Let's start my car. Starting. Need to move the music. Not sure you can hear that. Keep your eye on the RPM needle. Should I cut the AC? No, I don't think so. It's really hot here. Really hot here in Texas. Okay, here we go, waving up. Struggling. Car's really struggling here. But I can get up the speed. And then I need to make a left at Rock Island Road and then enter the quick trip because I need to warm up. think speed limit is 45 here. I actually forgot. It's been a while since driving due to COVID. But yeah, the speed limit is 45. But look at my RPM. That's really bad. It's not even in the correct gear. This is due to the engine struggling. So it's not going to go properly into here. I need to change lanes here. Actually, it's not quick. I'm going to waste right there. Watch this. So as we wait behind this left turn, traffic light, just watch my engine struggle. So flashing yellow arrow. I'm not going to rush this turn because my car may actually start anytime while trying to maneuver this turn. So I'm not sure you can hear that. But there's no more cars left. Oh, you gotta protect the turn. Okay, watch my engine struggle. As I park my car in racetrack, we can see how bad this goes. I should go around this way because there's a car behind me waiting. I should had to park somewhere. I'm not gonna park here. It's not the right place to park. There's a parking spot up there. All you need just racetrack. Okay. Yeah. My gas tank is good. I don't usually fill my gas tank in a racetrack. I should here to hit my food and buy me some stuff. Food. I'm mainly here to hit my lunch. Okay, watch this. So I get the radio, and you can listen to the engine. I might actually shut up the AC, but I'm gonna leave my car and drive. Okay, here we go. I put it in park, but it gets worse when I leave in drive or reverse because there's more strain in the engine. So I'm gonna mute the music, and then I cut the AC, so the fan as well. Now I'm gonna mute the music. Okay, now I'm gonna put my car back in drive. It doesn't matter if we reverse or drive. Watch this. Hear that? Listen closely to the engine and keep your eye on the RPM meter in the right. It's not moving very much, but the engine doesn't sound very good. See it struggling? And I'm probably not gonna take the freeways anymore. I was just testing my car because it's really dangerous to take my SUV on the freeways when it's in this state, because it's not very safe. My car may actually start anytime. I'm actually afraid to cross any railroads at this rate because I'm afraid my SUV might actually start in the middle of the railroad. And I do have my laptop with me. That's what $1,000. And I would not live in my SUV if my SUV gets stuck on the railroad. I don't think I had to cross any railroad on my way to the library, thankfully. It's not good at all. I'm not even having my AC running, but it gets worse when my AC is running. The fan's off, the AC off, the radio's on mute. Let me actually drive in reverse, see if it makes any difference. I have my foot in the brakes anyways. Ooh, it's a little bit worse. It's about the same. So the timing of the piston in the engine is not running correctly. Due to this, the ignition coil is bad. so the engine is not firing correctly on the cylinder. Actually, it's banned cylinder 6 because I just went to auto zone and they checked it for me. Okay, let's go back to drive. Yeah, actually it might be worse than drive. You cannot see the RPM meter move much. You can hear how bad this is. And this is very bad for the miles, you get gas mileage too. But it's definitely worse for the engine. Hear that? So the check engine light is not blinking solid, but the engine is struggling. And drive in idling mode. I don't have the AC running. It's really hot here in Texas. Okay, watch this. So, put it back park. Okay, even in park, it's not doing very well. So, let me show you guys something. Pop the trunk here. Okay, there we go. At a race truck, man. It's very hot in Texas. Oh wait, look. But then you forgot to attach the three. You only attach one. Wow. I mean that's fine. Yeah, it doesn't really need three. I think it's safe. You probably forgot though. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Well, you see how that goes. It's really hot here in Texas. The engine's parked, the AC is off, it's struggling. But anyways, I'll be going inside race track soon. So, you need to move the car a little bit. I don't know yet. Man, this is horrible. 1999 Lexus RX 300. Two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, and then, of course, it's misfiring, a 6-cylinder. This is the report from AutoZone they print out for me. It said 99 Lexus, by the way, it's not 2000. So, what is this right there? 6-cylinder 6 misfire detected, and it said replace ignition coil or spark plug. Well, I know it's the ignition coil because they just replaced all 6 of the spark plugs on this SUV. I'm going to fan out clearing. See the needle? Look at that. Take a look at that. It's bouncing. It's bouncing. look at the radio again. Have my AC and fan up. Yeah, watch this. Okay. Watch this again. Okay, now stop bouncing. But you know, it's not getting back to normal anytime soon. That ignition coil will need to be replaced. It's a little smoother now, but it's not gonna get any better. It's gonna get worse. It is something I had problems with before. It's the same as we had this problem before. With different ignition coil. But that's it for video. Peace. Wish me luck, by the way. Alright, just a heads up, guys. It's doing it again in the video here with the AC on low. The check engine light is blinking and the RPM's bouncing back and forth. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's down. It's misfiring. The engine is struggling, the piston is struggling to move, but there's a misfire in one cylinder and the engine cannot perform correctly. And this is what it's doing in the idling, and I have my car in park, not drive or reverse, and still doing this. It's not very good at all. I think it's struggling more when I will have the AC on, the air conditioner on. Hear that? See that? You can hear it and you can see it, I think. I'm not sure if my cell phone camera picks it up. Here, let's go to this engine. Pop the gun real quick before I cut this engine. The AC is still up. Sound very good. It's hot. Yeah, Texas. Alright, I got this. There we go. Oh, it's a little finicky because I got into two or three accidents. Okay, stop doing that, but yeah, I'll cut you guys off here.